I got a mystery package. Okay, it's not a mystery. I know what it is, but let's unbox it and we'll take a look. So yeah, pick this up. The DJI Mic Mini, the original. Little mic, look at the size of that. Tinsy wincy. Hopefully it's going to be a game changer, at least an improvement on any of the vlogs that I make, because I should be able to use it, the little magnetic backplate, pop it on the chest, use it in the mouth and sing a song or whatever, and pop it in straight into the Osmo Pocket that I've got, and hopefully get better sound recordings, get rid of all the garbage outside that I don't want. So excuse the temporary setup, but I'm a noob, we're getting there. But look at this little magnet that you pop off in the back, pop it under your clothes, attach it on. Easy peasy, right? Clips on like that, can talk to it. No longer, hopefully when I move my head around, we're losing the vocal and it drifting off into the void, and hopefully it'll be going down into the mic like it should do. I've also got these little fluffy attachments, I love these. So you just clip these directly onto the top, let's whip this off, and you'll hopefully get, there we go, simple as that. Clip it on, and we've got a fluffy mic we can talk into. Comes supplied with a USB type A to USB-C lead. We pop this end into the little stand, this end into your computer, grab your mic, and you can actually use this to record straight to your computer if you want as well, or charge. Simple. And some of the best stuff about the DJI stuff is just the quality of it. I mean, I got this with credit off. I had about a £3.50 voucher from buying my camera. Everything's magnetic as well. But I got this with money off for £23. That is an absolute steal. One of the best small mics you can get on the market, and for that money, definitely. This is just using a Windows recording app built into Windows 10 or 11, whichever version you've got. And you can see I'm using it because when I move the microphone away, things start to get quieter, and when I move it nearer, things start to get louder. Perfect. So we just got it connected via Bluetooth straight to the Windows connection app and straight through the microphone. Perfect. Just pop it down, let it charge. You can run with it 24/7. Yeah, pretty good so far. So we're all attached to the Osmo, my Osmo Pocket 3, and it's working well. Here we go, look, with the magnet attachment. So what you get on the Osmo itself is a little green screen at the top, a tiny little line that goes across, and it gives you a little audible level. So when you hit a certain peak and you're too loud, it tells you. It's really smart. When you're out in the garden And like us, you've got planes going overhead. A 777 Emirates, it's still picking up the audio rather than the plane. But of course it's always going to pick up some noise that you don't want. I mean, filtering something out like Rolls-Royce jet engines up in the air, not going to be an easy task, but as long as you're still audible and you're still heard easily enough, I see no problem there. This isn't a professional thing. This is a £25 microphone, and it's an absolutely essential thing for me, and I can't believe I missed it. I was particularly surprised with the audible level which pops up in the corner there. So yeah, fully recommended. And I guess if things aren't quite loud enough, you can just pop it off, or you need to hand it to someone else to talk who's over on your other side. Fantastic little addition, so comfy to hold as well. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up, and if anyone's in the line for this microphone, I'll put a link in the description, and yeah, let's get going. I hope you've enjoyed the little video, something different, and if you did, if you just give me a little like, just a tiny tap, perhaps a subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and ring that notification bell as well, because then you'll see when I put videos up, and little plans, comments, things like that. Excellent. You guys take care. Onwards, upwards, always.